Hello friends, welcome to Direct Marina YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about basic terms in maritime electron technology. This will be useful for MBA plus 4 and for building our basics much more stronger. So today we will be discussing about what is electricity. So we can say as a simple term, electricity is a presence and flow of electric charge. You have to not remember that it is a presence and flow of electric charge. And using electricity, we can transfer energy. Using electricity, we can transfer energy and allow us to do some simple course, that is simple works. I don't know what's the definition for electricity. Then we can move on to what is electric charge or what is a charge. Means it's a basic property of proton, electrons, and all other subatomic particles. It's a basic property of that we also studied in our childhood classes and all. Then two types of electric charge will be there. That is known as positive and negative, and positive are called protons and negative are known as electrons respectively. And then what is current? Then we can say current, it is the flow of electrons or it is the rate of flow of charge. When someone asks, a surveyor asks what is current, we can very fast we need to say current, it is the flow of electrons, and it is, in other words we can say it is the rate of flow of charge. It is known as current, and it is usually denoted by letter I. We can say I is equal to dq by dt equal to q by t, and unit is ampere. And what is the direction of current? It's also a thing we need to understand. What will be the direction of current? When it is in a source, the current direction will be from lower potential to higher potential. In a source, from lower potential to higher potential, but in an element, it will be from higher potential to lower potential. So two difference in here. First means from source and electrical. In element. In source from lower potential to higher potential. In element from higher potential to lower potential. There are two types of current. We can simply guess positive and negative charge. And this electrons, we can say current flows from positive to negative, and electrons flows from negative to positive. That also a simple thing we can all remember. We all can remember. Means current flows from positive to negative, electrons from negative to positive. Okay, then what is voltage or potential difference? In the beginning, I was also having doubt. I was also having this conception that voltage and potential difference are both different terms. But after studying, I understand these are same. Voltage, or we can also say potential difference. Voltage, it is the energy required to move a unit charge through an element. We can say voltage means energy required to move unit charge in an element. We all know that how voltage we can denote. It is denoted by letter B. Its unit is volt, and 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per coulomb or 1 newton meter per coulomb. It all depends. And we can say this is 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per coulomb. Also we can say is absolute potential at this point. In electric perspective, when we say, for someone asks what is power, we need to say this: it is the rate of expanding or absorbing energy. So simple rate means rate of expanding. It is a time rate of expanding or absorbing energies. Then power, we can say what is it? Okay. Then there was some error happened. So I will continue this topic. Power is the time rate of expanding or absorbing energy. That means according to the time rate, it will absorb or expand in the energy. It is known as power. The unit of power is watt. Then we can say power is equal to VA. V means we can known as voltage. I equal to current. So power is equal to voltage into current. Voltage multiplied by current. Then next topic, potential drop. Or we can say it is what is voltage drop. Both are same. When a current flows through an element in a voltage placed across that element, some voltage drop will be there. Some energy drop will be there. That is known as voltage drop. I will say once more. When a current flows through an element, voltage produced across that element is known as voltage drop. Okay? When a current flows through an element, voltage produced across that element is known as voltage drop. Then resistor, resistance, resistivity. We all know that it is find of resistance towards the current. So we discuss what resistance and what are the difference between resistor, resistance, and resistivity. So we need to know why three names for that. So we can understand much more specifically. Resistor, it is a device which opposes flow of current. Resistor, device opposes flow of current. Okay. Then resistance, it is a property of resistor. By virtue of it, it opposes flow of current. Resistance means it is a property of resistor oppose the flow of current. Okay, its mathematical expression can be defined by Ohm's law. R is equal to V by I. Yes, we can say, we know that in front of Ohm's law, it will be discussed. We will be discussing more about Ohm's law in the next session. So, what is resistivity? Resistivity means it is the total resistance offered by a conductor per unit length. It is a total resistance offered by a conductor in a unit length. So, difference. Let me remind very fast about resistance and resistivity. Resistor means device opposite flow of current. Resistance means is a property of resistor by virtue of its opposite flow of current. Then resistivity means it is a total resistance offered by a conductor in a unit length. Then we can discuss about what is inductor. Inductor is just opposite of resistor. Inductor means it is a device which opposes inflow of current. In resistor, here device opposes flow of current. In inductor, it opposes any change in the inflow of current. So it is a simple way to remember. Resistor opposes flow of current. In inductor opposes any change in inflow of current. Any change in the inflow of current. Then inductance. Same we can say it is a property of inductor by which it opposes any change in the inflow of current. Here same resistance, inductance. It's just opposite. Here resistance there will be oppose the flow of current. Inductance it will oppose the inflow, any change in the inflow of current. Inductance, it is represented by the letter N and its unit is Henry. We can say H, Henry. So mathematical expression is equal to N is equal to N phi by I. N we can say number of turns of coil, phi flux of coil, I current in the coil. So as a very fast we can say summarize like that. Inductor means it's just opposite. It's a device opposite flow of any change in inflow of current. Okay. In resistor means opposite flow of current. Here inflow of current. Inductance means property of inductor by which it opposes any change in the inflow of current. Then we can say inductive reactance. Inductive reactance, it is a property of inductor which opposes the flow of current. Here we have mentioned inductance. We can say it is a property of inductor which opposes inflow of current. That is inductance. Here inductive reactance means it is a property of inductor by which it opposes flow of current. In inductance we say resist the inflow of current. Here resistor opposes the flow of current. Here we mentioned as inductance represented by the letter L. Here we say Xl. So formula is 2 pi Fn or omega L. F means here natural frequency. Omega we can say angular frequency. Then what is capacitor? Capacitor is a for a simple terms we can say capacitor is a component. It has ability or capacity to store energy in electric charge and produce potential difference or static voltage across plate like a small rechargeable battery. Okay, one more I will explain. Capacitor means it is a simple component. It has ability to or capacity to store energy in electric form and produce potential difference or static voltage across plates like a small rechargeable battery. Then capacitance. Capacitance is an electrical property of a capacitor because it measures the capacitor's ability to store an electric charge on two plates. Okay, capacitance means it is an electrical property of a capacitor and it measures this capacitor's ability to store electric charge in a two plates. So quickly when we summarize between the capacitor and capacitance, we can say capacitor a component ability or it has capacity to store energy in the form of electric charge and produce potential difference or static voltage across plates like a small rechargeable battery. Capacitance, this electrical property of capacitor, this is